Aloha everybody, I'm Desiree Aguinaldo Helsham and I am the CEO of OneSource, and we are a professional employer organization helping Hawaii small businesses with all of their back end so they can focus on what they love to do best. I just want to thank Audi Hawaii for being one of the sponsors here at the Pacific Business News 40 Under 40 tonight, and I also want to give a congratulations to the other 39 awardees of the evening, and just want to give a big mahalo to everyone. Thank you.